Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding and resolving Python syntax error, await outside async function. The syntax error, await outside async function in Python is a common error encountered when working with asynchronous programming using async and await. This error arises because the await keyword is specifically designed to work inside asynchronous functions, async def. It's a fundamental part of Python's asynchronous model, and attempting to use it outside this context leads to the syntax error. This tutorial will delve into the intricacies of this error, providing a thorough explanation, illustrative examples, and practical strategies for resolving it. 1. Asynchronous programming fundamentals. Before tackling the error, it's crucial to understand the core concepts of asynchronous programming in Python. Asynchronous operations allow your program to perform other tasks while waiting for I/O bound operations, like network requests or file reads, to complete. This improves concurrency and responsiveness, especially when dealing with multiple slow operations. Async def defines an asynchronous function. These functions use the await keyword to pause execution until an asynchronous operation finishes. They are not executed immediately upon calling, they return a coroutine object. Await pauses execution within an async def function until the awaited coroutine or asynchronous operation completes. It only works within the body of an async def function. Coroutine a special type of function that can be paused and resumed. Async def functions return coroutines. Event loop the mechanism that manages and schedules the execution of coroutines. The event loop runs continuously, checking for completed coroutines and resuming others. 2. The syntax error, await outside async function in detail. The error occurs because the await keyword is intrinsically linked to the execution model of async functions and the event loop. The await keyword essentially says pause here until this asynchronous operation finishes, and then continue execution. The event loop is responsible for managing this pausing and resuming. If await is used outside an async function, the Python interpreter has no context to understand how to handle the pausing and resuming, hence the syntax error. 3. Code examples demonstrating the error. Let's examine a few scenarios that will trigger the error. Example 1, await in a regular function. Example 2, await in the global scope. Example 3, await inside a class method that isn't async. 4. Resolving the error, correct usage of await. The solution is straightforward, ensure that await is always used within an async def function. If you need to use an asynchronous operation from a non-asynchronous context, you must use the asyncio.run function or similar to run the coroutine within the event loop. Example 4, correct usage with asyncio.run. Example 5, correct usage within a class. Example 6, handling the result of an async function asterisk. Often, you need to get the result from your asynchronous operation. You can use await to achieve this. 5. Beyond asyncio.sleep. The examples above used asyncio.sleep, for simplicity. In real-world scenarios, you'll likely be using await with other asynchronous operations, such as network requests. Libraries like IOT provide asynchronous functions for making HTTP requests. Database interactions. Libraries like async page, for PostgreSQL, offer asynchronous database access. File IO. The IO files library provides asynchronous file operations. Remember that when using these libraries, you'll always need to ensure that await is used within an async def function to properly integrate with the asyncio event loop. In summary, the syntax error, await outside async function error, is a clear indication that you're trying to use the await keyword incorrectly. Always ensure that await is placed within the body of an async def function, and use asyncio.run, or a similar function to start the event loop and run your asynchronous code. Understanding the fundamentals of asynchronous programming in Python is key to effectively utilizing async and await and avoiding this common error.